Hi there people and welcome to the channel. I'm not really sure what I'm going to call this video. Weird art haul or scavenging art materials video. The fact remains that I have scavenged these art materials here. It's so funny what people sometimes throw out, and they're quite interesting. I think also some of it is quite old. And then I'll be doing a little font study of something also peculiar. So the thing that I found was these Kandage Neocolor watercolors. I have these Kandage Neocolor pastels, which are very interesting and good, great color combo. But watercolors, I've never tried that before, so will be fun. I don't even know if they're in production anymore. This is a fun palette. Then I found some paper. Oh, there's a dog there. Always good with paper for pencil and watercolor. It seems very old, also this one. And then these little beauties here, which I've never seen before. It's bamboo brushes. And the thing is that they are actually like a real bamboo stick. You can see how it bends. You can see the hole here also. And then there's simply as that, a brush. It's a bit, needs a bit of massage to get going. But such a cool brush. And I found about 10 of them. So some went to my wife's niece and some went to the drawing course that I teach. And these are the ones I have left. The last thing that I scavenged is something quite different. Old firecrackers. Warning. Warning, shoots flaming balls. Use only under close adult supervision. And they're called Colorflower 3. And I'm a kind of a sucker of these old school graphic design, you know, the way they pack the design and the labels. Look at that red lantern, beautiful. What I'll be doing with this one though is I won't set it on fire because I love my house, our house, little apartment. I will be doing a study of the font here. So I just gotta unwrap it. I hope they don't go off. Doesn't smell like anything. Okay, so it would be interesting to use these actually. I don't have a yellow, but I do have this light blue, which I could use. Finest water soluble painting crayons. Yeah, let's get cracking. sketching just for the fun of it. Well, the L became really thick. But you know, a little tip or just a thing that I'd like to mention is that doing this copying of this font here has actually some really cool benefits. And I can talk a bit about that. Well, first of all, it's fun. I do it because it's fun and because it's relaxing. I really enjoy looking at this angle and enjoying the proportions of the lettering here. I don't do it to make it as perfect. I try to make it as accurate as possible, but I make something small and something bigger. That's all right. The main thing is just to have fun. But the thing that is a bonus effect of doing this study is, first of all, proportions and your hand-eye coordinations. You really strengthen that by doing these things. And I remember we did this at drawing school. We did font studies at, on tombstones in graveyards and signs in the streets. And, there are letters on bicycles, there are letters everywhere. Menu cards, you can draw the letters. And this way you practice your viewing of proportions, which you can use for anything in drawing. And secondly, it's inspiration. I do hand lettering in children's books and I do hand lettering for various projects. And the cool thing about studying a firecracker from, 1900 I think it's from the 20,000s, but an old firecracker, is that you get inspiration from somewhere else, not from my colleagues, not from something that's trendy, from something completely different that I wouldn't have thought about. And this way you get inspired in a different way, and that's something that can affect your style, or give you a different perspective and give you some inspiration for other projects. Because right now my mind will absorb this font here by making it going through my hand and through my senses, and so you never know if this font here will pop up in some kind of character or font or all sorts of things. You never know, and that's the fun thing about it. Yes, let me just give it a bit of color here and then try to add some water soon. If it feels like I'm rushing, then this is because this is a bit of a procrastination project. Actually, I should be working on a children's book right now. Don't tell anyone. Okay, let's try out the bamboo brush here. I suppose that this pen here is good for ink because the Japanese were crazy or are crazy with ink. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's very, very easy to activate. Wow. It's a nice brush. I like it. There's something nice about that it's so thin. the E going up there, quite pointy. I absolutely love the texture of this watercolor crayons here. After having finished the silhouette of the letters here, I just used a brush marker to do the contour line around the font, just to kind of finish things and straighten things up a bit and tidy it up. I hope you found this scavenging art haul inspiring, and now I guess it's back to work for me. And until next time, folks, have fun drawing.